Okay, welcome to all. So today we are going to learn how to configure the IP address for TCP/IP communication in UnityPro for that is TSX P57 2634 MCPU. Okay, so this is very simple, and I will try to tell you the procedure very quickly. Okay, so this is the first thing. After installing the UnityPro, you need to check whether the driver, the communication driver, has been installed properly or not. So for that, you right click on the My Computer and go to Manage. Then you expand the device manager. So after expanding the device manager, the ports, in the port, this TSX C USB 485, it is detected at COM63 because this is RS485. Okay, so once this is appearing here, that means the communication, the device driver has been installed successfully. Then you open the UnityPro. After opening the UnityPro, this will be the interface. It will be looks like that. Then go to File and click New. So here, after clicking the New, so this window will appear. So here you have to select the proper CPU. So as I was telling, my CPU is TSX P57 2634 MCPU. So I have selected that and then click OK. After clicking that, this type of interface it will come. So here first you expand this X bus, this you expand and click Open. After opening, it will come, the things is like this. You see, this is the power supply. The first thing is the power supply, the second one is the CPU, and this is the Ethernet port. Then my rack was, I think, 12 slotted rack, so I have to replace the rack because here total rack slot is 4, so I have to replace it. If you right click on this 0 is written here. If you right click, then it will come this replace rack. If you click there, then all the rack supported by this CPU, it will be appeared. Then exact part number. So this is the 12 slotted rack. I have selected that and click OK. After that, you simply go to PLC, then connect. After clicking, it will be showing that it is successfully connected. That means now my entire communication is perfect. So now you have to configure. Now you have to add the respective module in the slot. So if you right click on any slot, so these things it will appear. So in my second slot, this digital IO module is there, so that part number is TSX DEY64D2K, so that I have selected. So similar way, I have selected all the possible racks. After selecting that, you click on the PLC, then you go to standard mode. After going the standard mode, now I have to configure the IP address. So in the communication, in the left panel, there is a communication. So if you expand communication, there will be a network. So you right click on that and click New Network. In New Network, here it will come Add Network. There you select Ethernet and give a name. So it is a by default name. You can change your name accordingly also. After that, you see here one Ethernet one, it has come. So now if you double click on that, so or if you open it, so this will come, one interface is like that. And one thing you should be remember, that in the PLC hardware, that Ethernet port, in the where the RJ45 connection is there, bottom of that 10/100 regular connection, like that something it will be written. So this model family, it will be selected as per the model which is considered in that Ethernet port, that will be obtained from the hardware. So now you see here in the IP address configuration, you can put the IP address and the subnet mask. Okay, so here you see I have put the IP address is 127.0.0.2, not 2, it was 10 actually, or something, whatever maybe, and this is like that. You can set it, and here you see the left side that Ethernet _1, there is a cross symbol is there because still some procedure is pending. After doing that, in the left panel, you see if you expand the CPU, here it will come TSX ETY port. If you double click on that, this right side, this kind of interface it will appear. So here in the net link, here you select Ethernet TCP IP, then in the net link, whatever we have done, that whatever we have already configured, that Ethernet _1, you select that. Once you select, now you see that earlier this area, that network, that Ethernet _1 was a cross symbol, so it has disappeared. That means now it is perfect. Okay, so now again you go to PLC, then connect, then you transfer the project to PLC. So if you do that, you select the PLC run after transfer, and then you click transfer, then you rebuild and transfer, then it will be the entire program, it will be transferred to the PLC, and after that you remove that RS485 cable and you connect one RJ45 Ethernet cable to PLC and your PC. You configure your IP address of the PC as per this range, because I have given here, you see the PLC address is 126.0.0.10, so you can give that is 126.0.0.11 or 12 something, and media you select TCP IP, then you click OK, and now you connect. Now if you after doing this, if you go to again PLC and connect, your PLC will be connected with the UnityPro in your laptop or PC through TCP IP protocol. Okay, this is the very simple configuration to connect UnityPro to connect TSX P57 2634M CPU, and how to configure the IP address for that. Okay, so hope it will be useful. So my in case of any difficulties, my contact number and WhatsApp number and email will be given in the description of this video. You can always contact. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.